Oh, hey guys. Oh wait, no, I'm not that. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so I heard there's a new update on the game. Let me verdict. This is how they look. I think I'm gonna very interesting. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see how we eat them. Get your crusty ass out of here. Oh! Alright, let's see if there's anything that you have to get. You have to buy. Okay, well now I can buy the sets with money. Wait, let's see. Wait. Honey, wait. Honey. Can I get this? Or do I have to actually get that's okay. But at least I know how I can get the set. Purchase burger set with chicken. Oh, I don't think I have enough. Huh. Okay. Well, when I get enough, I'm definitely gonna, yeah. But this is the phone I mostly use. Shorts. So, I'm not gonna make a video, probably, until I get the phone. So, it was nice trying the burgers. Obviously, I choose the chicken, because I love chicken. Anyways, bye, guys. In my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb be shaped like a deer. Do you are about to die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know.